Okay, kids, just a reminder how to draw this flower. Remember, we start with that backwards 3 and forwards 3, so we're going to just do one right in the middle here. Also looks like a little bird flying in the air. And start the same place up there, bring it around here. They're not perfectly the same size, doesn't matter. That's just where we start. Then the only time we do this is on these first 2 lines. We're going to go from bump to bump. And we're going to make that little bracket looking sign. And we go right here and do the same thing. The rest of your lines, all of your lines, will now go from point to point, point to point, point to point. So meaning like this, just making that bracket sign over and over again. So we can see it on there. So I start at that point, go up, come back down, come to that point, and then the final one, up, and then back down to the point. Now I just keep doing the same thing over and over again, going point to point. And they don't have to be perfectly shaped as long as they got nice curves in them. This one I actually need to bring out a little bit more and bring back in, so I'm going to erase that out. This is going to be a fairly big leaf right here. What's a video without at least one mistake? There we go. And then I come over here to that point. Say the petals are now getting big. Now they're going to get huge. And this is what we want. We want a really big rose, not just a little teeny micro one. And the biggest one. Now a little hint, where this goes down, your point goes up. So if I'm coming around here and I go up, because that goes down, kind of makes a little diamond shape right there. And then I bring it back around to that next point. Up, because that goes down, and that next point. Okay, and now we have a large flower, and that's what we want on these. A nice big one like that. Okay, so you start with the looks like lips right there, and then you go bump to bump, bump to bump, and then everything else is point to point, point to point, point to point, all the way out.